Hi, my name is Abram, and I'm going to be showing you experiment number 1 from lesson 3 in the Water and Our World science unit from the Good and the Beautiful. We're going to explore evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. For this experiment, we need a saucepan with lid, ice cubes, and a stove. And if you're doing this experiment at home, make sure an adult helps you with the stove. First, let's put some ice cubes into our saucepan and put it on the stove. We'll turn the heat up to high, and of course, what starts to happen? After the ice melts completely, we're going to wait for the water to come to a boil. All right, our water is boiling, and what do you guys see now? You see the steam rising up? Another word for steam is water vapor. Now, is this demonstrating evaporation, condensation, or precipitation? What we are seeing is evaporation, the process of a liquid turning into a gas. Here's the lid to our pot. Notice that the bottom of the lid is completely dry. I'm going to hold this lid above the pan and the steam that is rising up. What do you notice about the lid now? See all the tiny water droplets? How do you think those got there? When the warm water vapor hit the cool lid, the water vapor condensed and formed water droplets. Condensation occurs in the sky when water vapor cools and condenses on dust particles in the air. The tiny water droplets come together and form clouds. Now, if I tilt the lid this way, some of the water drops will run off and drop back into the pot. This represents precipitation. In clouds, when the condensed water droplets become too heavy, they fall to the ground as precipitation or rain.
Be sure to check out these Open & Go homeschool science units and many more on goodandbeautiful.com. Also, download our free marine biology unit today.